Hi, this is Kayla Murphy from the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine, and fabricgarden.com. It's holiday time, and we have all our Janome machines on sale. Over 25 models to choose from nice and beginner, top of the line, embroidery, the new M7, and two choices for nice long arm machines. The Quilt Maker Pro, which can be set up as an 8, 10, or 12 foot setup, and the new Quilt Maker Pro 16, which is a 5-foot setup, and all stitch regulated machines. So every week I'm going to just be highlighting a machine. Last week I did the 9450. People enjoyed seeing a lot of the features. That's a pretty big machine. It's what I would call an at-home machine. So today I would like to show you our most popular lightweight machine to start with, or travel machine. This is called the 4300 QCD, and I have it set up right here. I've turned it on, and one thing you can see right off is you have a nice LCD screen, and it's nice backlit so you can see it. The machine itself is a great package. It's going to come with the machine in the free arm area and the extension table. It does have a hard cover, so you can travel and take it to class or your retreats. 14 pounds. No more carrying these 30-pound machines around. So it's nice and lightweight, which is very nice. Now the machine itself has some really great features. The first thing I want to show you is it does have the true 7-piece feed system from Janome, the teeth in the front, side, and back, so you're able to really grab that fabric. We have a lot of feet that come with it, but one thing in particular that's really nice is you get the whole quilting attachment set with this machine. It comes with the 1/4-inch foot, the walking foot with the guide for when we're going to do quilting through layers, and a stippling foot, open toe, clear foot. So no more having to buy a lot of accessories. Good complete package. So right now I'm going to snap on my 1/4-inch foot. Most of us are quilters, so I'm going to just show you right here. When you turn on your machine's going to turn right on to center needle position 3.5. It shows you your width and your length. What's really nice is you can use your foot pedal. So I'm using my foot pedal, and I do have speed control. So if you wanted to go super slow, you could go super slow, a little faster, or faster yet. When you stop, the needle stops down, so you're able to pivot. But I might want to sit a little better at my table. I don't want to be extending my leg or extending my arms and shoulders. I'm going to undo the foot pedal. Now I can sit much better. My legs are behind me, my hands on my project. I'm going to be using my stop start feature, and this is where you can actually sew with the button right in here like that. I'm going to stop. We have a couple of other features I'd like to show you. One is a locking stitch, and that is where at the end of your seam, if you press that button, that machine will lock and stop with the needle down. And now, very popular, we can use the cutter. This is a feature where the needle will come up, cut, and be done. So you have a perfect, clean finish on the top. Needle, lock, knot, cut, and go. And you're able to go. But most ladies want what's called a scant 1/4-inch. We did a pretty healthy 1/4-inch seam. Scant 1/4-inch is a little narrower. We want to move that needle over. The beauty of this machine is you have direct changing. Here's my width button. If I want to move that needle, because I don't want to move my fabric, I don't want to move my foot, I'm going to move that needle over one jump, right like that. And you can move and do with the same guide of the foot, move it over again. I now have a really nice scant 1/4-inch, and I can stop and I can cut just like that. So I narrowed up my seam just about 1 thread, which is perfect for a scant 1/4-inch. You see some nice basic stitches, right? We can just go to quickly do a zigzag or so on. But we see it's 4300, which means we have a lot more choices of stitches. We have great decorative stitches, we have great buttonhole applique stitches, and if I flip right around, we have wonderful lettering. So if you wanted to do your quilt labels, very easy to do memory and do your quilt labels also. So kind of a power pack machine for a little 14-pound machine, good quality, great feed system. And just one little thing I want to show you, and this is optional. I got to make sure you know that it's optional. we have trouble seeing. This is one of the machines where your side cover opens and you can put on an optional magnifier. It clicks right into the machine, and you can get them in different strengths. This is just a 20 strength, so if you're sewing or doing applique and you want a little bit more magnification, this is an option, but it's great to be able to have it if you want it like that. So this is the 4300. We also have many other machines in stock. We always offer free instructional lessons. We have a factory authorized repairman, and again, you know, this is a nice machine along with our others, but like I said last week, what you don't see is the service and support that we offer here. We are very proud to be a top 25 dealer in the country out of 700, so we very much thank you for that. Also, just one last thing, this Saturday, open house. We have a lot of fun things planned. Good. I just went shopping for treats last night, so we'd love to see you. 9 to 3 on this Saturday. If you have any questions, just give us a buzz or please stop in. Thank you.